everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on your WeChat account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your phone number on your WeChat account, firstly go ahead and launch open your WeChat application from your device. Make sure that you have downloaded the application and signed up for your account in case if you don't have an account yet. If you already have an account, check if you are logged into it or not. In case if you are not logged into your account, you need to sign into your account first. Before starting the video, let me give you some information about WeChat application. WeChat is more than a messaging and social media application. It is a lifestyle for over 1 million users across the world. Chat and make calls with your friends, share your life's favorite moments, enjoy mobile payment features, and more. WeChat offers instant messaging, including social messaging features similar to WhatsApp. There's also much more you can do with WeChat, including using mini programs to shop online or access an app tools, or using WeChat Pay to send money and pay in person or online. Now, to download your WeChat application on your Android device, go ahead and launch open your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in WeChat and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the application. On the next page, tap on Install button just below the application to start the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Once you launch open the WeChat application, the official page of application will appear on the screen. Tap on Sign Up button at the bottom right corner of the page. You can see two options will pop up on the screen through which you can sign up for your WeChat account. You can sign up for your WeChat account via mobile or through Facebook as well. Choose one of the options that you'd like to sign up for your WeChat account and tap on it. Here, we are going to choose Sign Up from Mobile Number. On the next page, enter your name, choose your country or region, enter your phone number, and create a password for your WeChat account. After you're done entering all the credentials, tick mark on the circle to agree to the terms and conditions of WeChat and tap on Agree to continue. On the next page, you need to go through the security verification to protect WeChat from scammers. This registration requires further verification to prove that you are a human. Tap on Start to start the verification process. Complete the verification process, and once you're done, enter the verification code sent to your phone number, or else you can also verify it through your phone call as well. Once you enter the verification code sent to your phone number, click on Submit, and it will take you to the home page of your WeChat account. Allow WeChat to send notification by tapping on Allow. Once you do that, you'll be able to receive all the notifications sent to your WeChat. Once you're signed up for your account, the home page of WeChat will appear on the screen. From the home page, click on Me button at the bottom right corner of the page. Click on Settings option. You will end up on the settings page of your WeChat account. Click on Profile. Click on your phone number. On the next page, click on Change Mobile option right below Mobile Contacts. Enter your country code and new number that you would like to change to, and then click on Next. A verification code will be sent to your new number. Enter a verification code sent to your phone number and click on Next. You can also verify it through a phone call as well. Once you enter your verification code, you'll be able to change your phone number on WeChat quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more content and tutorials for upcoming videos for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.